Learn how to emboss like a pro with the Master Tools Creaser Embosser. Handcrafted by our skilled craftspeople in Mount Hope, Ohio, this machine is built using the finest materials, skilled American workmanship, and finishing touches for dependable performance you can count on project after project. Let's start by getting familiar with the parts of the machine that we'll be referencing throughout this video. Pressure adjustment lever, adjustment handle, clamping shaft collar 1, clamping shaft collar 2, clamping shaft collar 3, clamping shaft collar 4, top roller bar, bottom roller bar, hand crank, dowel pin, machine key, Allen wrench, flange, shims. All creasing rolls, embossing rolls, white bottom rollers, and accessories are sold separately. This machine is designed for creasing and embossing leather with a minimal thickness of 4 to 5 ounces. Before getting started, secure the machine to your workbench with your choice of screws or bolts. Using the machine as an embosser. Slide clamping shaft collar 1, a flange, and shims onto the top roller bar. Expert tip: embossing rolls vary in width depending on the design you choose. You'll need to add shims based upon the width of your strap to achieve proper alignment. These shims ensure your strap stays centered. Refer to the chart on page 13 of your owner's manual for guidance. Insert the machine key into the embossing roll and slide it onto the top roller bar with the machine key lining up with the groove in the top roller bar. Slide remaining shims, a flange, and clamping shaft collar 2 onto the top roller bar. Tighten set screws and clamping shaft collars 1 and 2, ensuring screws make contact with the flat side of the top roller bar. Then you're ready to add the white bottom roller to the bottom roller bar. Slide clamping shaft collar 3 onto the bottom roller bar. Slide the white bottom roller onto the bottom roller bar. Slide clamping shaft collar 4 onto the bottom roller bar. Do not tighten set screws and the clamping collars yet. Check alignment by raising the pressure adjustment lever and locking it into place. The white bottom roller should just fit between the flanges. Tighten set screws and all clamping collars with the Allen wrench, ensuring screws make contact with the flat side on each of the roller bars. Now you're ready to emboss. With the pressure adjustment lever raised into the locked position, run strap through the machine by rotating the hand crank toward the back of the machine. We recommend running scrap leather through the machine and adjusting the distance between the top and bottom roller bars until you achieve the right level of embossing for your project. For lighter embossing, turn the adjustment handle clockwise. For deeper embossing, turn the adjustment handle counterclockwise. Expert tip: this machine allows you to easily leave a blank area on your project while maintaining consistent pressure. Simply release embossing pressure by lowering the pressure adjustment lever away from you. Advance your strap to the point you want to resume embossing and raise the pressure adjustment lever to return to the exact same embossing pressure. You're also able to emboss the edges of larger projects. Simply leave off the flange normally placed beside clamping shaft collar 2 to give you space and freedom to guide the leather by hand. We invite you to refer to our Creasing with the Master Tools Creaser Embosser video for instructions on using this machine as a creaser.